Good evening. Today, I'm going to be discussing something that does not have to do with my port, gastroparesis, or immunodeficiency. We're going to be discussing a new medicine that I just got. It is for my sinuses, and it is a compounded sinus rinse with a combination of meds where some of them come from a compounded pharmacy. So stay tuned, and I hope you find this enjoyable, especially if you have one of those NeilMed sinus rinse machines and you've never ever used it and don't know what to do. So I'm going to be going through how I set up my medicine and how to use that NeilMed bottle. Okay, so now I'm at the counter in my bathroom because this is where I do all of my meds at. So the ingredients are, for my medicine, is Mupirocin, but it is compounded into a pill. So I have Acetylcysteine also, which is compounded. I have my NeilMed sinus rinse bottle. I have my sterile water. I have a sinus rinse packet from the NeilMed company. And this is a Pulmicort respule that is going to go in there also. So first thing I do is I add my NeilMed to the bottle. I use 120 milliliters, which is what my doctor told me. So I fill it up to the line. Here we go. It's about halfway in the bottle. Then I'm going to put in my Pulmicort, which is Budesonide. And we just add this. Then we have to add the two pills, which is the Acetylcysteine. It's just compounded into this pill for me. We're going to add that. Just shake it all in there. And then I'm going to add my Mupirocin, which I've used it as an ointment around my feeding tube before, but that's it. If you didn't notice, I have a lot of different conditions such as gastroparesis, Ehlers-Danlos, dysautonomia, hypotension, hypoglycemia. And this is for chronic sinus infections. I've had septoplasty a few years ago. We thought that would work, but that has not helped. I'm on a lot of IV antibiotics periodically, which sometimes they help, sometimes steroids help. This here is my saline packet. So I put half of that in the bottle. And then you just put the top on it. Be sure to cover that hole up on the top, because if you don't, you'll do what I did and had some shake all over the place. Then you just mix everything up. Ooh, see, and it still spurts out. See, and this is the NeilMed sinus rinse bottle. That's how you add everything together. So also, what I have to do is put it in my nose. So what you do with this is you put it in one nostril while keeping your mouth open, and do not block the other nostril because you want the water to come out of the other side. So I'm going to demonstrate. It might look a little messy, but just hang on because I'm going to show you. Okay, I had to go get a towel just in case because it will get messy. I'm not going to do the whole thing, but I'm just going to show you demonstration purposes. So what you do once everything is in your bottle, and you don't have to have a compounded medicine to do this. A lot of people just use like water and rinse their noses out along with these sinus rinse packets that come in your starter packet. And you can buy this bottle over the counter also. So here we go. Let me see, get my hair out of the way. Oh. Kind of makes me shake and makes my eyes red. But that's that in a nutshell. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. And if you want to see anything about, feeding tubes or TPN or ports or any of my IV meds, just let me know and I will make a video for that. Thank you for watching this and have a great day. Bye.